Welcome to Melett. Melett are the leading brand in the aftermarket for quality turbocharger repair parts. We recognised a couple of years ago that the competition was becoming quite intense, and so we looked at how we can reduce our prices and maintain competitiveness as well as maintaining our quality. So in the past 2 years we've been working hard to set up our manufacturing facility over here in China.
The whole manufacturing process starts here in the UK. We look at the customer requests that come through from the website on the development request button. We strip the turbocharger down, we measure the parts using shadowgraphs and other high-tech equipment. We look at specific failures, where we can improve things, how we can reverse engineer that and make it better. And we feel this is important because you know the parts are as good as the OE or better. And we don't just buy things off the shelf, we do a full in-depth analysis, and that's really important.
The development process starts with us taking a series of measurements. We create a 3D CAD model, and from that 3D model we create a 2D drawing. The manufacturer submits a number of samples. When we receive that at Melett in the UK, we will conduct our own measurement studies. We will then sign the warrant to give the manufacturer the go-ahead.
So we've set up our own manufacturing facility over here in China. This has helped us to keep everything under our control so we can develop new products a lot faster.
This is a brand new operation. As you look around the facility, you will see everything is Melett. The whole style, the culture, the attitude, which is very important.
This is a Melett Manufacturing facility. Every product that is produced here is designed by our Melett engineering team in the UK. We have a very dedicated team here. We have a very disciplined operators. We follow strict quality control from stage 1 up to the finished product.
Operators do their own inspections. We also have random checks done by our quality inspectors. Our in-process quality inspectors done this on an hourly basis using high-precision equipments in our laboratories. We are also doing a final quality inspections.
We've gone for the best equipment, so we really have got a world-class manufacturing facility here, but we're benefiting from the economies of scale of China, and therefore we're getting the best of both worlds.
We have in-house facilities to make sure that all the parts that come from our suppliers are rigorously checked and validated against the drawings. And we do a level of checks and validation to ensure that the product that goes to customer is correct.
Once our quality team's carried out the initial inspection, we do a secondary check to ensure the parts will fit into the core assembly and the turbocharger correctly. And it gives us reassurance that the parts that we are manufacturing are going to work correctly as an assembly and not only a component.
The production facility has been greatly expanded recently. There's been a large investment in additional VSR machines, in manpower. The advantage of having our own production facility is that we can control the process from start to finish. All the cores that are produced on this facility come with a balance graph and an authentic inspection card signed by the technicians who built and balance the core. We're in the market to produce quality components, and our mark of that quality is what you receive in that package.
We've got a good stock availability within Melett. Everything's there on the shelf. The service is really good. As the order comes in, it gets shipped out within that day.
Something that we're very proud of at Melett is in 2014 won the Queen's Award for the 3rd time. It's for continuous improvement and continuous development in exporting. And Melett is obviously very proud to receive this award. The quality of the parts is the most important thing to Melett. Melett quite firmly is in the high quality part of the market, and we will always be in that part of the market.